Okay, part 2 of writing. We had just started this next paragraph about giving more information about those reasons. So in the first paragraph, that's the CER, okay? The C is the claim that we deserve to be on Santa's nice list. The E is the evidence. Those are the 3 reasons that we came up with. And then the R is the reasoning. So this example in this letter says, all of these reasons show why I deserve to be on the nice list, because being nice to my little brother is not always easy. He likes to throw things, and it is often hard for me to stay calm. All right, so she gave a little bit more information about being nice to her little brother in this next paragraph. Her second one was that all of her chores are always done, and she says, my chores are not fun, but I do them anyways because I know I have to help in the house. And then her last reason here about she's always very good in school and her grades are excellent. Her reasoning here is, I do all of my schoolwork as well, so that is another reason why I deserve to be on the nice list, because schoolwork can be hard sometimes. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We are going to go back up to slide 6. This first one, see, I don't want to get rid of the word claim. So I'm going to tap again over here on the right side, so then I can just delete the words type here. So our claim is, what's our claim? We deserve to be
on the nice list.
Okay, but not we as a whole, because this letter is just about you. So it would actually need to say what? I deserve to be on either on the nice list or on Santa's nice list. Because does Santa have a naughty and a nice list? Yes. Hopefully you're not on the naughty list. All right, so let's go ahead and type this. Okay, do you have your claim typed? You don't have to write Santa's if you don't want to. You could just say, I deserve to be on the nice list, or I deserve to be on the nice list this year. Jenny?
I can't see how to spell the word deserve.
D-E-S E-R-V-E.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, the evidence part. Remember, this is the sentence that's just saying that we have 3 reasons. Okay, just like in her example letter, she says there are 3 reasons I deserve to be on the list. So the evidence here is I have 3 reasons I should be on the list, or there are 3 things that I have done that show I deserve to be on the list. It's okay. I have 3 reasons I should be on the list. Okay, we're spending a little bit more time on this today because these have to be turned in to the newspaper by Wednesday, next Wednesday. So we're gonna spend more time with writing than we will reading next Monday and Tuesday, so that we can get these finished up, all right? Does everybody have their claim and their evidence now?
Yes.
So now the reasoning part, we're just gonna quickly jot down our 3 ways that show we were being nice. So remember our brainstorm list that we had? Those are the things that we're going to use in, let me get to the right one, in our reasoning. So we're going to use transition words like first, second, and third, or first, next, and last. So first, now I can't remember what first, I have made supper and breakfast for Mr. Lofink every day. I'm looking back at my brainstorm list so that I know what I need to type on here.
How do you spell reason?
REASONS. All right, so I have my first sentence from my brainstorm list typed. So first, I have made supper and breakfast for Mr. Lofink every day.
Then is it next?
You can say next or you could say second. Either one would be fine.
Or then? That's for the third.
I would use second or next.
Okay. How do you spell next?
Next. Okay, so then you're going to look at your brainstorm list again and look at your number 2 part. Go here. Okay, so mine is second. I always make sure I get along with Mr. Lofink.
Why does it keep changing over to the right?
And then my last one is I have every day. So what we've done is we've just broken this paragraph down into smaller steps. Now we have an entire paragraph here, friends.
Can you put last?
You could put last, yes, either third or last. Is everybody getting all three of their reasons? Keep this part simple. Simple as in like mine. I've made breakfast and supper every day. I always get along with Mr. Loafing. I have made my bed every day. Keep it simple. We'll go into just a little bit more detail in our next paragraph. What's that? Okay, that'll work. That works. Everybody doing okay? Okay, now, I think everybody's close to being finished up with that. So here's what we're gonna do. Slide 7. Is everybody on slide 7? I want you to help me out with this. Go to slide 7. And then do you see the words up here? File, edit, view, insert. Do you see those words up there? Class?
Yes.
Go to slide 7. We're going to go to the word edit. Click on edit. Do you see how all these words popped up underneath it? Double check, make sure you're on slide 7 though. Is slide 7 highlighted here? We're going to delete that slide. Do you see delete right here? Not duplicate, delete. Now slide 7 is the example letter, right? Okay. Because that was just making us do double the amount of work that we've already done. We don't want to do twice the amount of work, do we?
No.
I don't. You'd be crazy if you want to. Because you didn't click on it. All right. So now we have our first paragraph just like she has her first paragraph. Okay? We're going to have to put it all together though. in the letter that we start. You'll see, remember our spooky story, how there were different types of paper that you could type on, how it had a different border on it? That's how this is too. This has this red and black buffalo plaid check. It has green and black buffalo plaid, or it has the black and white buffalo plaid. So you need to decide, do you want yours to have the red and black, the green and black, or the white and black? Put your hand on your head if you know which color combination you want. Red and black, green and black, or the white and black. Everybody knows? Okay. So if you do not want red, is anybody getting rid of the red and black? Okay. Those of you that do not want red and black, remember how we deleted that other slide? You're going to delete the red and black if that's the one of them that you don't want. So if you're going to get rid of red and black, click on it and then hit edit and delete. Did everybody get that one deleted that didn't want it? Okay. Is anybody getting rid of the green and black? Okay, if you don't want green and black, then highlight that slide, edit, delete. Some of you might want to, you don't want the white and black. If you want to delete the white and black, remember, go edit, delete. And it just leaves the one color that you wanted, right? Do you have that one color slide left?
Do you want us to like make all of these?
You can create one more of that slide. I'm going to delete the... Okay, so I'm keeping the red and black. Do you remember how to create another slide like that? Highlight the color slide that you want. Go back up to edit. Now don't hit delete. Do you see right under delete it says duplicate? Duplicate means to make another one. That's the one you need to click. So now you should have two slides with your color that you were wanting. So to make another slide, you have to click on the slide that you want, go up to edit, down to duplicate. Everybody got it? Okay, so now, remember in the example letter, you don't have to click on yours, but in the example letter, we have to put today's date. Do you see where it goes? Up in the top left corner. So go to your blank page that you're going to type your letter on. Now, don't delete the text box, just delete the words. And then arrow back so it takes you to the left side of your paper. Now, friends, their text color is in red. let's change that to black.
How do you,
Do you see the A here that has the red line underneath it? Click on that. We're just going to go black font color. So you can either hit the black circle up here or down here. They're both the same. I didn't get it though. There we go. So now it shows you the black line under the A. That means your text color is black.
how do
Okay.
you move the cursor back so I can type the date?
Just click back again. Backspace again. Click it and click it and click it.
Okay, is everybody's cursor here?
Yes.
Okay, now, do you see where the word Arial is here? With the little arrow that can drop down?
Mm-hmm.
You can choose a different font. There's a few to choose from, but make sure that it's easy to read. I'm going to go with that Comic Sans one. Alright, so choose the font that you want, or you can just leave it as Arial, it doesn't matter.
And
Then, the first thing we're going to type with the font that we chose, I like this one because it's easy to read. So we're going to type in today's date, December 11th, 2020. Is that better? Let's not. That might be hard for them when I send these to the paper. It might be hard for them to read it. Okay. Make sure that your font that you chose is very easy to read. Alright, so now I'm going to flip it back to the example letter. The next thing that we type, and this has 2 spaces between it. So your cursor is right here after you typed that 0. On your keyboard, hit enter 2 times. Okay, did you hit enter 1, 2 times? Now we need to type who our letter's going to. Who's it going to?
Santa.
Alright, so what do we have to do to the word deer?
Capitalize.
And what do we have to do to Santa?
Capitalize.
Whoops, I don't know why I hit enter. I didn't mean to do that. What do I have to put after Santa's name? A comma. The comma is right down beside, to the right of the M.
Is it this one?
Yep, right beside M. And once you type it, you'll see it's a comma because it's down toward the bottom of the letter. Everybody have it? Next thing that we're gonna do, let's look back at this example letter. Oh, what are we starting to do here? We're starting our letter, right? This is the body of the letter. So what's the first thing that this girl did in her letter?
Introduced herself.
She introduced herself. She said, hello, my name is Samantha. Or you could say, hi, I'm so-and-so. All right? How are you going to introduce yourself in your letter? Go ahead and type that sentence right now. Think about what a complete sentence needs to look like, though. You can start it like hers. Hello, my name is name. Or hi, I'm name. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. After Santa, hit enter 2 times.
Yeah.
I forgot about that. It thinks I spelled my name wrong.
What? I don't. Sometimes I spell words right and it doesn't. It still puts that red line in. Seriously, that's right.
That doesn't happen to me.
Okay, does everybody have your introduction sentence? Let's look back at the example letter. So after she introduced herself, she says, I am writing to tell you why I should be on the nice list this year. Is that our claim?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we could start our sentence like hers if you wanted to. Don't talk about your 3 reasons yet. This is just our claim saying that that I should be on Santa's nice list this year. So I'm going to look back at my claim one more time. I belong on Santa's nice list. All right. Don't forget a space after you have your punctuation mark there. Remember, a space is just the space bar. Oh. All right, so I just wrote, I am writing to tell you why I deserve to be on Santa's nice list this year. What is my sentence missing?
Period.
Okay, and then a space. Oh, that's way too big, small, I mean.
Do you put a period or comma?
What?
That's the sentence, right?
I'm writing to tell you why I deserve to be on Santa's nice list this year. Period. Is that what you were asking? Okay. There, is that better? Okay, I'm going to teach you a trick to save us a little time with our typing for that. Remember when we typed first, second, third, or first, next, last, whatever transition words you used? Is everybody done with this? Almost? Okay. Okay. No, that's not what I wanted. That one. So slide 6. We're going to copy this part right here. All of those words, we're going to copy it. Okay, so here's what I need you to do. Go to the word first, right in front of the F. You're going to have to use both of your fingers because we're going to highlight it. I can't do it with my fingers up here. I'm going to have to go to my computer screen. But on your mouse pad, you're going to highlight from the word first clear to the period after whatever you wrote there. Like mine is day and then period. Okay, so I'm highlighting it. See how it turned it all blue? Get yours to turn blue like that. Oh, sorry. Oh, you had it. Sorry, I couldn't see it. Start over. You just slide that finger down. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
You only typed one reason. You have to have all three there. Or you have only 2 reasons. So I clicked it. Slide my finger across. See how it highlighted it all? Just leave it then. Did everybody get theirs blue?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. All right. Actually, this is easier. On your screen, do you see the CTRL down here in the bottom left-hand corner? Do you see this button?
Yeah. Control. Which one?
The control button down here in the bottom left-hand corner. Lucas, are you with me? You're going to push that one with your left hand, and then you're going to push the letter C with another hand. So Control C. I did yours, sorry.
Well, I accidentally got un.
Oh, okay.
And let go.
Yep, and then you can let go. That copied what you just highlighted. The Control C copies what you have highlighted.
Control and then the letter C.
Yes.
So I did that. It deleted deleted all of it and just put a C.
So you must have lifted up control when you hit C. You have to, hold on. All right. If you let go of control and then hit C, it gets rid of what you have.
What do you want to do?
All right, did everybody get Control C done and all your words are still there and they're still highlighted? You have to hit C as you're holding down the control. Who else needs help?
Well, I did it and now it's still. I did it and it's still highlighted.
Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do, go back to your letter that you've started typing. Make sure that after your last period, after the word year, that you have a space. Now, is your cursor blinking there?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to hit Control again, but hold on, it's a different letter. Push down Control with one hand, and then while you're still pushing that down, push down on the V. Did it appear?
Yes. Yeah. It just made a bunch of V's.
Yeah, that. Oh, I pressed shift.
Well, it didn't like make like a bunch of V's. It made like a bunch of V's.
Oh, whoop.
Control. Oh, you didn't copy it then.
See, it did a long. Holy cow.
Control C.
It's like really moving.
Was it different?
It did like 4 copies. It did like 6. Mine did 3. Like 4 copies of the Mine did 7.
Okay, now it might be a different font color. That's okay. We can take care of that later. We're just going to leave it the way it is. Okay? So, you have
Oh gosh.
you have yourself introduced. You have telling why, that you deserve to be on Santa's nice list, and your 3 reasons. Just like the example letter. We have our first paragraph written, friends. We're going to stop for today. Do you want to know how to change the text and the font so it's all the same?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you're on your letter and where your text and your font starts, or where your font and your color, are different, remember how you highlighted? You need to highlight all of that again.
So everything you typed?
What we just copied into there. Highlight all of it blue again, just like you did before. Did you get that highlighted? You don't have to, all you have to do is highlight what you're changing so that it's blue. No, you're not hitting Control this time. There you go. Everybody have that? Who said no?
I have it highlighted.
Okay. Now, if you click up here for the different fonts again, I bet the one that you chose is the very top one on your list. Okay. So now, they might not be the same size yet, but at least it's the same font that you had. I don't remember what size mine was. Oh, all I did was either go up, plus, or subtract, and it'll make it the same size as your other sentences that you had.
So what do we do?
While you have it highlighted, you can change it to black also,
No.
like your other text is.
So what do we add to make it big? So up by the top right here.
At the top, there's you need to make that bigger. I can't see it. Sorry, I can't help you. All right. Once you have that how you want it to be, this is so small. This is what I can't see.
Are you using this 100?
No, you're just changing. Right there. Alrighty. Once you have that, so it's all the same color, it's all the same size. The great thing with Google Work is it saves your work as you go. So right now, you don't need to save anything. It's already saved for when we come back to this on Monday. All right.
X out.
So go ahead and X out of your Google Classroom. And we'll continue this Monday and Tuesday if we still need that time.